Assalamu alaikum everyone. You've made it to part 3 of my Bridal Floral Mehndi Design tutorial. In this final part, we'll complete the remaining intricate details and see the beautiful finished look on the front hand. If you haven't watched parts 1 and 2 yet, be sure to check the links in the comments below to follow along from the beginning. I hope you've enjoyed this 3-part series. Please give this video a like, share it with your loved ones, save it for future reference and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Don't forget to watch till the end for the final reveal of this stunning bridal design. Alhamdulillah, we've reached the end of this beautiful bridal floral mehndi design tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed watching and found it beneficial. Jazakallah khair for your continued support and love. Before I go, I want to remind you all to stay positive and keep creating beauty in everything you do. May Allah bless you with barakah in your skills and life, and may He grant ease and happiness in all your endeavors. Until next time, keep me in your duas, and I'll keep you in mine. Fi amanillah, may you be in the protection of Allah, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video, inshallah.